This model kit review is of the Hawker Typhoon, and it is a 1/48 scale model by Monogram. Here you see a picture of the finished model, and some additional pictures of the finished model. This is obviously an older kit. Here's another picture. Let's have a look inside. First of all, our cockpit canopy. See, it's a bit scratched up and will need to get polished. Here's our propeller. This is an enormous propeller that they had. Here's our pilot figure. Wheels. Looks like one wheel might be inside. Our landing gear. And our seat, tail wheel. This one's coming off here. We have our top part of the wing with the cannons, all raised panel and surface lines, and there's a fair amount of detail, but they're all raised. Wheel wells actually have some detail, which is surprising. Here we have our stabilizers, rocket pods here, all actually fairly well molded. Little areas of mold lines. Here we have our fuselage with the giant radiator. All raised panel lines. Look at the inside. There's actually some detail on the inside of the fuselage there, which is nice, but there's not much. Here's the other wheel and the spinner for the propeller. Here we have our instrument panel, which also surprisingly has some detail there, and our wheel well covers. Here are our decals. Not very many. They're definitely yellowed, but most of it's painted behind them. The actual decals seem to be still reasonable. And let's have a look at the instructions here. So cockpit and fuselage put together next to the wings with landing gear and rockets. Then those go onto the fuselage, canopy, stabilizers, and propeller. Next we have the painting and decal guide. And looks like we have 3 different options there. And there's the other side, and it has the classic D-Day markings. All in all, reasonable level of detail for an older model, and should be an easy build.